Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this frame I got from Dollar Tree. I start by painting the entire thing with Plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. After that's completely dry, I'm taping off different sections. I put a couple pieces of tape on the top for spacing, then add a full piece underneath those, and then I keep that process going until I have the spaces for the entire front. I then fill in those sections with barn red acrylic paint, giving it a couple coats. Once it's completely dry, I remove the tape and set that aside for now. I then take the heart shape from the frame to trace on this cardstock. I then paint that heart with English navy acrylic paint, giving that full coverage on the front. And then I'm using 24 of these 12mm half round wood beads I got from Amazon. I tape those down and paint them with the same English navy color. Next, I'm taking these numbers I got from Amazon as well. They're about 3/4 of an inch, and I paint those with the Plaster colored chalk paint and do the top and sides of those. Next, I tape the heart I painted onto the original heart from the frame, and it was a little bit big still, so I trim that down to the size of the original heart, and I just keep that taped to the heart I painted, put it inside the frame, and put those pins down. I then border that heart with the wooden beads. To attach those, I brush on some tacky glue to the backs of each of them. I use my heat tool to make sure that glue is dry, and then place down the numbers within the heart and add the tacky glue to the backs of those as well. And after I painted that little pin, it doesn't fit within the hole in the back as well, so I sanded down that a little bit and put it in the frame. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.